this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing probability and we're going to look at some two-way tables. So this is what a two-way table looks like. We just need to answer some questions from these tables. So let's read what this one's about. The following two-way table shows the number of Year 8 students who catch a bus to school. So we have bus here or no bus, and we have female and male students, comparing them. So the questions are, how many students were female? So this is female here. So we want the total number of people that were female. So we come all the way across to the end, and there's a total of 42 people, 42 females that were surveyed for this table here. B, how many students caught a bus to school? So here is bus, and we go down to total people that caught a bus. There was 49. How many students were male and catch a bus to school? So we want bus, but we want the male people that caught a bus. So that's where these two combine here, which is the number 31. And finally, how many were female and do not catch a bus? So female, not catch a bus is 24. Okay, good. So in question 2, we want to use the information below to complete the two-way table that shows the number of soccer players and what they eat if they eat fruit for breakfast. So it says there are 38 soccer players that eat fruit for breakfast. Okay, so 38 soccer players, here we are, that eat fruit for breakfast. Okay, so that must go there, 38. 7 people do not play soccer or eat fruit. Okay, so do not play soccer, do not eat fruit for breakfast will be 7 going in there. 50 people play soccer. So play soccer, that's a total of 50. Doesn't matter whether they have fruit or not, that's our total, 50. And 80 people were surveyed in total. Okay, so that's our overall total, which will come down here to this last box. Okay, so that's all it gives us. But we can work out what all the rest of the numbers should be. So if you have a row here where you've got 2 of the numbers, but 1 is missing, if this is the total, we can take our total of 50, subtract off 38, which tells us that this number here would have to be 12. We could also go this way across here. If 80 is my total, if I take away the 50, that means that there must be 30 people in here. All right, I have another 2 going this way. So 30 is the total. Take away the 7, and we get 23 up here. And we're after the totals for these ones, so we just need to add them together. 38 plus 23 means that we have 61 here. And 12 plus 7 is 13 in there, 19, sorry, in there. So we can check to see if we've got this all right. If I add 61 plus 19, I do get 80. Okay, so that's looking like that's all working. Now let's answer our questions. How many people do not play soccer? So that's no matter about the fruit. So do not play soccer in total, there is 30 people. How many people eat fruit? So it doesn't matter about the soccer this time. We just want people that eat fruit for breakfast, which is 61. How many people do not play soccer but eat fruit? Do not play soccer but do eat fruit is this one here, which is 23. Okay, so that's it. That's how you read information from a two-way table. Now it's time for you to have a try. So here are some questions, just like the ones we've just done. Pause the video, give these questions a go, and then restart to see the answers. So question 1. The following two-way table shows the number of Year 12 students who have part-time jobs. So jobs and no jobs, male and female. So how many students had a job? So here's the job. There were 35 people who had part-time jobs. How many students were male? So total number of males, there were 42 males part of this survey. Okay, C, how many students were female and had a job? So female and a job meets here at 21. And how many people were there in total? So a total number of people that were asked, male and female, job, no job, there was 80 people. Okay, question 2, use the information to complete the two-way table about student lunches. So out of 68 students, that's our total number of students, so we can put that down here. That's our overall total, 68 students. 41 were boys, okay, so boys or male, total number of males was 41. 15 boys bring lunch. So 15 males bring lunch, that goes there. And a total of 49 students buy lunch. So buy lunch, the total is 49. Okay, so now we need to try to figure out the gaps. So if 68 is our total, we could subtract off 41. To make 27 in that box there. We could start with 68 again and subtract off the 49. Gives us 19 in there. Okay, then we have our 19 as our total. Subtract off the 15. So we get 4 in there. All right, now to work out these gaps in here. 27 is the total. Take away 4 will give us 23. And 41 is our total. Take away the 15 will give us 26. Okay, so now to answer some questions. How many girls bring lunch? So girls, female, that bring lunch is 4. And how many boys buy lunch? Go to buy lunch is 26. And that's it, done. Okay, so keep practicing those two-way tables and join me next time for some more probability. Bye.